Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll be showing you today how I prepare my curry chicken. The first thing I do is normally prepare my green seasoning. Then I wash my chicken, cut my chicken in small pieces, remove the skins. Then I'll use my green seasoning and my powdered seasoning to season. I normally leave this like 1 to 2 hours to marinate, or it can be left overnight. When I'm ready to prepare this, I add quarter cup vegetable oil, and in the description I leave the amount of curry that I used in this. I leave it in the pot to burn. Then I'll evenly add all the chicken and all the seasonings in the pot. Then I'll stir everything to make sure that everything is in curry. I never add water to my curry. Curry springs water once it is under medium to low heat. So I just stir evenly, and every 5 minutes I check to make sure that it is not dried out and there is sufficient juice in it to prepare the meat, to cook the meat. Preparing this can take anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes depending on the heat, because you don't want some of the meat to be cooked and some not cooked. Here you can see it is simmering. It has a lot of juice, and it also looks so juicy and delicious already. I can't wait to consume. No water still not added to this. It is optional, and I'll leave it in the description box. Other persons might use water. I never use water. Or you can use chicken stock. I never normally use it unless I'm cooking curried goat, which is a much longer process than preparing this. See, it's almost ready. The meat has gotten its color. You can see the juice in it, the gravy. It is not too thick, because if you use too much curry, then you'll have a thick gravy. You don't want that. See, it has a lot of juice in it, and this came from just cooking this under medium heat. It's almost ready to be served. Here is the finished product. You can see everything has color. Everything is like yellow because the curry itself is yellow. And curry can be served with any food of your choice. It could be green bananas, sweet potatoes, it could be white rice, it could be rice and peas, it could even be vegetables, raw vegetables. Here you go. It's now cooling down. You can see the finished product, how delicious it looks to me. And here it is, served. You see the gravy is not too thick. And here you go, ready to eat. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for tuning in. Leave a comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.